Welcome to Buyer's Guide. The best Texas rig kit is probably one of the most essential pieces of gear for any serious angler looking to elevate their fishing game, offering a streamlined and efficient way to rig soft plastics for a variety of predatory fish species, ensuring fewer snags and better hookup ratios when you're out on the water chasing that next big catch. Number 5. Ghosthorn Fishing Backpack Tackle Sling Bag. Introducing the Ghosthorn Fishing Backpack, designed for ultimate comfort and convenience on your next angling adventure. It easily transforms to suit your needs. Keep your essential tools readily accessible with its innovative storage design. It even includes convenient rod holders for hands-free fishing. This bag is perfectly sized to hold all your daily fishing gear without being bulky. Everything you need is within easy reach. Crafted from durable, waterproof, and abrasion-resistant nylon, this bag is built to withstand any fishing condition, ensuring long-term use. Whether you're fishing from shore, a paddleboard, or wading, this multifunctional backpack is your ideal partner for enjoyable fishing trips. What we like. This bag offers incredible versatility with its adjustable strap system, allowing you to switch between backpack, sling, and chest bag configurations. Its innovative maul webbing keeps your tools easily accessible, and the waterproof material ensures durability. If you need a highly adaptable bag for various fishing scenarios and like to keep your gear organized and within reach, this is the one for you. What people say. The kit includes a variety of hook sizes and weights, making it versatile for different fishing conditions. The components are durable and well-made, ensuring they hold up to repeated use. The Texas rig design allows for weedless presentations, reducing snags in heavy cover. Number 4. UCEC EWG Offset Worm Hooks. Introducing the UCEC EWG Offset Worm Hooks, designed for serious anglers. These hooks offer exceptional strength and performance for your biggest catches. Our unique Z-Lock shoulder bend ensures your soft plastic baits stay firmly in place. The heavy-duty forged shank is perfect for rigging large baits for big bass. Crafted from premium 2X strong high-carbon steel, these hooks are built to last. Chemically sharpened points provide deep penetration, while the black chrome finish prevents corrosion. The wide gap design allows for easy rigging of various bait sizes and ensures a natural presentation. This wide bend also reduces the chance of fish escaping. These hooks are ideal for a wide range of soft plastic bait applications, including Texas rigs and Senkos. They perform excellently in both freshwater and saltwater environments. This assortment includes 100 hooks in 6 different sizes, from number 1 to 50, neatly organized in a portable plastic box. You'll always have the right size for any fishing situation. What we like. These hooks are built for serious anglers, featuring a 2X strong high-carbon steel construction for superior strength and penetration. The unique Z-Lock bend ensures your soft plastics stay put, and the wide gap design allows for easy hook sets and reduces fish throwing the bait. If you're targeting big bass and need reliable hooks that hold bait securely and offer excellent hookup ratios, these are an excellent choice. What people say. The Texas Rig Kit is a game-changer for bass fishing, offering a versatile and effective way to present soft plastics. Its durable construction ensures longevity, even with frequent use in challenging conditions. The kit includes a variety of weights and hooks, allowing anglers to customize their rigs for different fishing scenarios. Number 3. THKFISH Bass Fishing Rig Kit. Discover the ultimate bass fishing experience with our specially designed bullet weights. They are perfect for Texas and Carolina rigs, making your setup simple and effective for catching larger fish. This rig is your secret weapon for targeting bass in various depths. It excels in open, deep water and along weed lines, allowing your bait to move enticingly along the bottom. Experience the unparalleled weedless advantage of this popular rig. It's ideal for navigating thick cover, ensuring your bait stays hidden and presents a natural profile to wary fish. Our comprehensive kit includes everything you need: weights, swivels, beads, and hooks. Save time and effort by having all essential accessories conveniently in one place for any rig setup. Select from our convenient options, a 35-piece bullet weights box, or larger 339-piece and 389-piece tackle boxes. Find the perfect set for all your fishing adventures. We are committed to your satisfaction. Enjoy 24-hour friendly customer service and email support. If you encounter any issues, our team is ready to assist you promptly. What we like. This kit provides essential components for setting up Texas and Carolina rigs, including bullet weights, swivels, and beads. It's designed to simplify your rigging process and increase your chances of catching bass. If you're looking for a convenient way to get started with these popular rigs or need a variety of components for different fishing conditions, this comprehensive tackle kit is a great option. What people say. The Texas Rig Kit is a great addition to my fishing gear, providing a versatile and effective way to rig soft plastics. I appreciate the durable construction of the components in this kit, ensuring they hold up well during intense fishing trips. The design allows for quick and easy rigging, saving valuable time on the water and increasing my chances of catching fish. Number 2. THKFISH Fishing Weight Sinkers Rig Kit. Introducing a comprehensive fishing kit designed for various rigs like Texas, Carolina, and slip bobber. It's perfect for any fishing trip and makes a great gift for the anglers in your life. This kit includes components for the Carolina rig, ideal for catching bass in both shallow and deep waters. Experiment with different sinkers to enhance its effectiveness when fishing near the bottom. Master the popular Texas rig, known for its weedless design and straight worm presentation. It's particularly effective when targeting fish hidden in dense cover. Utilize the adjustable slip bobber rig to present your bait at any depth, increasing time in the strike zone. This versatile setup makes detecting subtle bites easier and allows for natural bait presentation. Our fishing accessories kit is made with good quality materials. It includes essential items like hooks, beads, sinkers, rings, and space beans for your convenience. This kit provides a reliable and all-around choice for both novice and experienced anglers. Everything you need is included to enhance your fishing success. What we like. This kit offers a wide array of fishing accessories, including hooks, sinkers, beads, and swivels, making it perfect for setting up Texas rigs, Carolina rigs, and slip bobber rigs. Its versatility and comprehensive nature make it an ideal gift for any angler. If you're looking for a reliable, all-around accessory kit that covers multiple fishing techniques and makes a thoughtful gift, this is a solid choice. What people say. Selection for size, weights, solid box to organize them. The THKFISH Fishing Weight Sinkers and Beads Kit is a comprehensive set designed for both freshwater and saltwater fishing. It typically includes a variety of sinker styles, like bullet, egg, or split shot, and colorful fishing beads, all neatly organized in a compartmentalized tackle box. Variety of weights includes multiple sizes and types of sinkers for different fishing conditions and rigs. Colorful beads, great for attracting fish and customizing rigs, especially useful for bottom fishing or Carolina rigs. Tackle box included, comes in a durable, compartmented case that keeps everything organized and easy to access. Number 1. Texas Rig Kit 10 PCs with paddle tail swim baits. Get ready for your next fishing trip with this super value pack. It includes 10 ready-to-go Texas rigs and 5 swim baits, all in a reusable keeper case. This is a complete Texas rig kit designed for quick fishing. It comes with pre-rigged Texas rigs and trailers, so you can start fishing right away. Keep your gear organized with the included reusable fishing rig keeper. It's perfect for storing both the rigs and your fishing baits. Experience superior strength and sensitivity with our hand-tied rigs. They are made with 100% fluorocarbon line for optimal performance. Catch those monster bass with confidence. These weedless hooks feature a powerful flat shank and a black nickel finish for enhanced durability and hook setting power. What we like. This kit comes with pre-tied Texas rigs, complete with swim baits and a reusable keeper case, offering ultimate convenience for quick fishing trips. It's hand-tied with 100% fluorocarbon line and features weedless hooks designed for monster bass. If you value speed and efficiency on the water and want a hassle-free way to deploy effective bass lures, this ready-to-go kit is perfect for you. What people say. The Texas Rig Kit is a great addition to my fishing gear, offering a versatile and effective way to present soft plastic lures. I appreciate the thoughtful design of the kit, which includes all the necessary components for creating a weedless Texas rig, saving me time and effort. The components in the kit are of high quality, ensuring durability and reliability during fishing trips. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.